Mention my name, I get it, you feeling away. But when you try throwing your shade, we throwing grenades. Growing with pain to help me turn into the man I became. I'm better with age, forever the era, I cherish the phase. But some things are better left back in the days. We started a wave, then parted away. A part of me feels
What's going on, guys? It's your boy BB here again, and I am back with another video. So I have another EDC video for you guys, and these are items that I try to walk around with the new iPhone 17 Pro Max that I've been using for the past month now. I try to make sure everything match so that it works best for me and my daily life. So yeah, let's get right into it. First things first is going to be the iPhone 17 Pro Max itself, which I've been using. I got mine in the silver colorway, and I think it looks pretty clean. I don't think any other color looks better than this one, in my opinion, to be honest. And I actually use it with a case, but for the past, I would say, a week now, I've been using it without a case simply because I have Apple Care, and I just feel like I'm wasting my money. Like, if it breaks, I'll just take it to the Apple store and they're gonna fix it. It sounds crazy, but hear me out. The phone looks good without a case. I'm feeling it. Anytime I'm using it, people are like, yo, is that the new iPhone? Da, 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 da. Overall, this is the phone that I use now as my daily for filming content, uploading all my videos on social media, reading my emails in the morning, doing all the cool stuff that the iPhone is made for, and I'm actually loving it so far. I would also say that it's a good upgrade even as someone who is coming from the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It has a very good battery life. The display is brighter and sharp. Camera quality is kind of like the same thing, but overall as a phone on its own, it's a better phone. Now I actually use it with different accessories. Like I said, I would usually use a case with it, but I've been using it without a case. But I would either use it with the Moft tripod wallet, just slap it on anytime I'm vlogging on the go, you know what I'm saying, just something like this, boom, or just stage it up like this, boom. So yeah, that's the Moft tripod wallet. I'll leave a link to this in the description. Now I also use it with this MagSafe external SSD that I usually just slap to the back of the phone every time I want to use ProRes log. It's a USB-C SSD. I don't have a USB-C with me right now, it's somewhere right here, but you just slap it to your phone, connect it to the phone, and then boom, you could start recording with ProRes log on the iPhone 17 Pro Max if you don't have enough storage on your phone. And this one is actually 1 terabyte of storage with a very fast transfer speed of up to, I think, 20 gigabytes per second. So yeah. Now another item that I've been using recently is this one from Anchor, which is the sponsor of this video, and it's the SOUNDCOREAI voice recorder, which is my go-to whenever I'm going to class or in a meeting. The SOUNDCORE work is what I use to record my lecture sessions. The coin-sized AI voice recorder for recording work-related meetings and student lectures. Compact and easy to set up, has a magnetic clip mechanism for a clean and presentable look. How it works is you simply press this side button and it starts recording your conversation. A perfect use case is while I'm busy using my iPhone 17 Pro Max to film my videos. I sometimes get ideas that I would like to highlight in the voiceover when I'm ready to edit. The SOUNDCORE work is a very resourceful tool to help get those points down without interrupting the video progress. All I have to do is click the button and it records it on the side. That way I don't miss out on ideas that come to me while I'm busy filming my videos. Now what's special about this device is its convenience highlighting feature that helps mark important points while in an informative conversation. With a double tap in the front surface of the recorder, you get an haptic feedback to confirm that it marks the information within the range before and after the moment. The highlighted part of the conversation is then transcribed behind the scene with a structured summary for you to revisit later. I personally struggle with taking notes while paying attention in a meeting, so this is an easy way to make sure I take down the important points I need without stressing my brain to take down notes. It's very precise with capturing audio even in space with potential background noise to produce up to 97% transcription accuracy. Delivers clear summaries without missing a point, and it has other features like multi-language translation and continuously growing summary templates. The best part is how compact and versatile it is to use, and all your conversations are encrypted so you don't have to worry about leaked conversation or meetings. I would leave a link to the SOUNDCORE work AI voice recorder in the description down below, so feel free to check it out. You can also get a limited time $35 off discount with 6 months of free pro membership benefits. And a huge thanks to Anchor for sponsoring this video. Alright, so even though the iPhone 17 Pro Max has a very good battery life, you could see from my day in the live video, I use this phone for literally more than 8 hours straight, and the battery did not even flinch. I would still recommend getting like a power bank, and this one is from Torras. This is the one I've been using for like the past, I would say, 2 months now. It's a MagSafe power bank. Just slap it on, boom, and it starts charging your phone. My phone is at 100%. That's how good the battery of this phone is. I don't even know how I got to 100%. But yeah, look, it's very compact and lightweight, and I think this is a 5000 milliamp hour battery, and it's one of those that doesn't get hot. If you've ever used a power bank, a MagSafe power bank before, you know it gets quite warm when you're charging your phone, but this one actually doesn't get hot. It also has this indicator right here to let you know how much bar you have left on the power bank. So yeah, highly recommend it. All right, so moving on, my laptop of choice is the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. I have made tons of videos about this laptop, and I cannot say enough of how good this laptop is, although it has shortcomings. But as you guys can see right here, I have my MacBook on the setup, which is what I use for work, editing, and I actually do not take my MacBook away from the setup just because, like, it's just a pain taking it in, setting up everything. I don't want to deal with that. So whenever I'm leaving the house, whenever I'm on the go, trying to edit my thumbnail, trying to get my work done, doing my schoolwork, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 has been my companion. Although the battery life is not the best, I've actually been able to maintain it properly by just, you know, doing light work when I'm off the house, and if I ever need to juice it up later on, I'll just use a USB-C charger just for like a quick juice, because it also has a USB-C charging. Even though it uses the DCI port, it has a 40 gigabytes per second USB-C port right here, and it has an HDMI port, a USB-A port. See, it's giving me a battery warning, headphone jack, and also another USB-C port right here, USB-A port, and an SSD card slot. I would have preferred if it had like the bigger SSD card slot, but that's only unique to the G16. But I'm not complaining because this is not my content creation computer. Two favorite features of this laptop that I like is, one, the display. The display is very, very sharp and bright. Even though it's limited to 500 nits of brightness, it's very, very clear. It's a 3K resolution display. When I'm watching videos, when I'm playing video games, it's my go-to. And also, the next thing I like about this laptop is the keyboard. Literally the best keyboard I have seen on a laptop. When I'm typing, especially when I'm doing my coding assignments, it makes me just feel smart, like I'm just in the zone responding to emails. And it's very snappy too. Performance wise, you will never go wrong with this. It has the AMD Ryzen 9 series processor and the RTX 4060 graphics card from Nvidia, which is a no-brainer in terms of performance. I'm not going to lie, it gets hot from time to time, either when I'm charging the laptop or when I'm playing video games. But other than that, performance-wise, it's a very, very reliable laptop. So yeah, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 has been my go-to whenever I'm leaving the house. Now, the next item that I've been picking up is the M2 iPad Air. As you guys know, I'm still a student. This is what I use for note-taking. I don't take notes a lot, but the other day I had a test, a midterm exam. I'm not even going to lie, I've not been studying this semester, but then the professor was like, oh, the exam is not going to be online. You have to come in person and take it on paper. And I needed to start studying like crazy. I just pulled up the M2 iPad Air. As you guys could see, this was the study guide that I was studying from. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is my go-to. And I use it with this ESR case just to snap it like this, boom, whenever I'm studying, or just to keep it clean. And then I use it with this ESR pen as well, which is very, very sleek. I like this black colorway. And just to navigate the laptop, write notes when I need to study, this has been my go-to. Also, when I'm at home and I don't want to be on my desk, I'm just laying down in bed, this is what I used to watch, like anime, movies, YouTube videos, all that kind of stuff. It's for entertainment and for studying. So that's what I use the M2 iPad Air for. Next up, other accessories that I've been using is my AirPod. I cannot leave the house without my AirPods Pro. You know what I'm saying? The other day I left the house with no headphones. It's almost as if I'm going crazy. I need my headphones to, you know, listen to something. When I need to watch a video online and I'm in public, I don't want my phone to be making noise. I use the AirPods. You know how crazy it is? The other day I had to pick up a phone call and I had my phone like this for almost 5 minutes, and I was feeling pain in my hand just because I've been so used to the AirPods Pro whenever I'm making like phone calls. So just having my phone with me like this for more than 5 minutes was kind of stressful, because I don't know why, bro. I feel like AirPods already like became too comfortable for me. The AirPods Pro always my go-to when I'm not going to the gym but just leaving the house and need to listen to something on the go. Now, my wallet of choice that I've been using for the past couple weeks is this one from Moft. I have another wallet, but I've been switching between them. The good thing about this is I could also slap it to my phone, boom, and then boom, just like that. Use my phone in a horizontal or vertical mode whenever I need to watch something, but I don't use it like that. I use this as a standalone wallet to save all my card. This is the Moft Field wallet, so you just, hopefully it doesn't show my card when I flip this. You just swipe this up and you could have access to your cards easily. And I also put my ID there as well. I have like my gym pass. It has like this divider in here, so I put like my debit cards on this one, and then I put like my gym pass and my ID on this one. So I'm going to show you guys. I can't leave the house without my driver's license, because if the cops pull you over, you're cooked. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, the Moft Field wallet is very, very clean and simple. I just have it together with all my items like that, and then boom, just throw it in my pocket. Other things that I have with me is maybe my car keys. You guys already know the car drive if you've been following the channel. This watch, Orient Kamatsu mechanical watch. That's the watch that I've been wearing. I've been looking into some other watches that I think I want to buy, but you know, budget is not budgeting right now. And the ring that I use is the Ultra Human earring. Actually, I've been using my Apple Watch SE2 more, but the Ultra Human earring, anytime I just want to do things for the aesthetics, this is the one I'm wearing. So yeah, that's it, guys. Very, very simple and straightforward. I don't have too many things going on in terms of like items that I carry with me. Just my phone, power bank, headphones, laptop when I need to get work done on the go. I'll make sure to drop a link to all these items in the description down below, so make sure you guys check them out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see in this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's get it.